From fruit to juice, commercial apple press equipment. How do we turn apples into juice? What does our process look like? And how does a belt press fit into that equation? We answer all these questions about commercial apple press equipment in this video. Shining, beautiful apples without a single mark. You know the ones? Well, now it's time for those to step aside because we're here to talk about those imperfect, marked apples. The ones we dare call ugly. Here at Juicing.Systems, we love ugly apples. You want to know why? Because they make the perfect candidate for juicing. Our favorite topic is juicing. We even named our company after it. We're here to take you on an informative journey illustrating how we turn apples into juice, some of which is ready to be fermented into delicious cider. Washing and sorting. We are tipping into action. To start, the apples are harvested from the orchard, where they've been subject to all that Mother Nature has thrown at them. Once they've been collected into orchard bins, they're ready to make the trip to the commercial apple processing facility. The start of the process begins at the bin tipper. The bins are loaded and then tipped onto the sorting conveyor for the next step of the process. Once the collection process has been completed, it's time to sort through the fruit and take away any apples that have any rot or mold. The belt press. Can you guess what commercial apple press equipment is known as the workhorse of the operation? If you guessed belt presses, you'd be absolutely right. They're designed to make your life easier. Their hands-off approach to fruit processing is one of the many reasons they are loved by cider makers everywhere. The pomace is transferred onto the press, creating a mash cake. The mash cake goes through a series of high-tension belts that are made of food-grade synthetic material. The number of rollers that the mash travels through is dependent on the model of Kreutzmeier belt press. Our smallest press, the single belt press KEB 400, has 3 pressing rollers and can process up to 1,765 pounds or 800 kilos per hour of fruit. Dream bigger with our double belt press series, available in 4 varying sizes. These K2B models feature either 8 or a remarkable 15 pressing rollers plus 2 press nips to give the pomace one final squeeze to get every last drop. Next stop, fermentation. As the juice collects in the pan below the press, it gets pumped off into fermentation tanks or other various holding vessels to get ready for the next stage of creating cider or apple juice. This is where you come in. The only thing we like more than the juice is seeing what you turn it into.